guys, so I'm out here. I have a lot of work to do out in this garden, as you can see. Well, today I'm digging up these dahlia tubers. So I'm just gonna cut off whatever is spent on these plants, dig up the tubers, and then store them. Here we go.
Now, I had some great blooms from these plants all throughout the summer season. They were semi-cactus dahlia, and they were called Tahiti Sunrise. Beautiful burst of color. Now, once these plants started going, they really started growing, and they got pretty high. So there's a lot of, dead stems to cut out here. You may notice I purposely mulched a lot of the leaves that have fallen in the backyard around all my tender perennials. And I'm going to add some more to really mound them up before we really get into winter to try to protect them. I'll put the link below from the video that I did about leaf mulching. Now, this tuber here looks pretty healthy. Out here can get a little bit tiring, a lot of bending and digging, but you have to be careful when digging up these things because you don't want to damage them. You just, go around the root ball and just gently dig up around, loosen the soil around so that you don't damage the bulbs, because the goal here is to have these plants come back bigger and better next season. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate you all here. If you have stuck with me so far, I would appreciate a thumbs up. And you can like and share this video if you so choose. Hopefully, I'm giving you some information that you can use. Now, just a little tip here that I kind of learned the hard way is as you're going along and you're cutting off the dried, spent blooms off the plants, do them as you go, because if you go and you cut all the tops off, it's going to be very difficult to know where you need to dig up the bulbs or the tubers. Take it from me. Now these bulbs here, I'll cut off all these extra little straggly roots, being very careful, like I said, not to cut the tubers because that could lead to rot, and you don't want these things rotting over the winter. That all your hard work would be for nothing. Now try to cut them maybe about 2 inches from the base so that you have something to kind of help to pull them out of the ground with. Kind of like a little handle. That I found that kind of helped as well. So once they were all dug up, I just set them out and let them dry out in the garage for a couple days. Now, once they're dried out, you can pick whatever box you want, cover them up in loose sand or a vermiculite, in a cardboard box, a crate. You can wrap them up in newspaper, give them a little bit of airflow, and that's it. Keep them in a cool, frost-free place and store them for the winter, and that's it. And then next spring you start the process all over again and plant them. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.